you're watching Astro-Minutes. Black holes are some of the most puzzling objects in the universe. They are formed from massive stars that have reached the end of their lives and collapsed under their own gravity. This process is known as a supernova, and it creates a dense core called a neutron star. However, if the star is massive enough, the gravity is so intense that the neutron star collapses even further, forming a black hole. Once a black hole is formed, it continues to grow by absorbing matter from its surroundings. The point of no return is called the event horizon, beyond which nothing can escape the black hole's gravitational pull, not even light. The matter that is pulled into the black hole is compressed into a small region called the singularity, where the laws of physics as we know them break down. Over the time, black holes can evaporate due to a process called Hawking radiation, which causes them to lose mass and eventually disappear. However, this process takes an incredibly long time, and black holes can survive for billions of years. Despite their mysterious nature, black holes play an important role in the universe. They influence the motion of stars and galaxies and are responsible for some of the most powerful explosions in the cosmos. Studying black holes can help us understand the fundamental laws of physics and the structure of the universe. Don't forget to subscribe our channel for more upcoming videos. Ciao.